Hey guys, and it's time to unbox the new Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Without a doubt, it was one of the most awaited phone of the year and has some crazy specs. This is the first Android phone to have a 7nm processor, the Kirin 980, and it's also the first Android phone to have the in-display finger scanner as well as a 3D facial scanner. So lots of awesome stuff going on. Let's get this phone outside of the box, and we're gonna take a look at the phone later, but first let's see what we got inside the box other than the phone. So first up, we have this mini box that includes the official Huawei Mate 20 Pro silicone case as well as this quick start guide. Let's get this out of this plastic bag, and as you can see, it is super transparent, so you'll still be able to show off the beautiness of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro because this is transparent. Now inside the box, we have our USB Type-C cable for charging and other connectivity. So this is obviously the new supercharged 2.0 Type-C cable. So it has this purple color inside, and also the charger, which is the new 40-watt Huawei supercharged 2.0 charger that will charge your phone to 70% in just 30 minutes. So that is actually pretty impressive. You also get a Type-C to 3.5mm dongle because this phone does not have a headphone jack. And also we have the Huawei earpods. All right, let's take a look at the flagship now. I'm just gonna remove the plastic here. Check it out, guys, the emerald green Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a greenish color look, but in direct light, it can give a slight blue color look as well. Now, just a quick side-by-side look of the emerald green Samsung Galaxy S6 that came back in 2015. The first emerald green phone that I ever bought, and you can see definitely there is a lot of difference going on. So taking a look at the phone itself, we have this glass plus aluminum construction, and there is this pattern on the back which kind of makes this funny sound you can hear. And it's a good thing because with this pattern, I think it's not going to scratch that easily, so that's a good thing. Now this is no ordinary back because this phone has the ability to wirelessly charge other phones, and it's called as reverse charging, which I'm gonna demonstrate later. Taking a look at the side of the phone with this emerald green version, we have this orange/reddish power key, which looks pretty good, kind of stands out, and also the volume rocker right above it. Whereas the left hand side of the phone is completely clean, like there is no AI button or anything like that. Now the notch has this secondary front-facing speaker/earpiece as well as the 3D facial scanner. Now at the bottom of the phone, we have the SIM ejecting tray as well as our speaker/USB Type-C port. Yes, you heard that right. This USB Type-C port also doubles as a speaker, which is pretty good. On the top of the phone, we have our secondary microphone as well as the IR blaster. So the main highlight on the back is obviously those cameras. So this is a triple camera system, the world's first complete camera system, I would say. You get a telephoto lens, a wide angle lens, as well as your normal wide angle lens, all in one package, which is pretty amazing. So the main camera sensor is coming at 40 megapixel with f1.8 aperture. The ultra wide lens is a 20 megapixel sensor with f2.2 aperture. And then we also have an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 5x hybrid zoom. All right, let's go ahead and boot this phone up and see what we have here with the best of Huawei. Like I said, it is the absolute first Android phone to rock a 7nm Kirin 980 processor, and it also has a really big battery as well, coming at 4200 mAh size. So I will be doing a battery drain test really soon. Make sure to subscribe for that. And this is also the first ever phone in the world to have the in-display fingerprint scanner as well as a full-fledged 3D facial scanner. So I'm gonna quickly set up the fingerprint ID first. So let's enroll the fingerprint. This is the place where we have to put our thumb, and this is apparently the first generation of Qualcomm ultrasonic tech, so this is supposed to be more accurate and better than the normal optical sensor. And because this phone is also water resistant, IP68 certified, and because it's an ultrasonic sensor, this will work even when the phone is wet, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, let's quickly set the Face ID, aka 3D facial scanner as well. So I'm gonna go here, enroll face, and give me a second. Okay, we are done with the setup. This is a 6.4-inch 1440p display and has a near 88% screen to body ratio. So if we quickly compare the bezels here side by side with the iPhone XS Max, you can see that Huawei is doing actually pretty good. The display is slightly curved, so whereas Apple has this slight bezel on the side, notches of the both bad boys, it seems that the Huawei's notch is a little bit smaller. Despite having the same kind of stuff here like the Face ID. But we still got a small chin on the Mate 20 Pro compared to the iPhone, which has its chin inside of the bezel. Let's quickly show you guys the result of the in-display fingerprint scanner. So here we go. Okay. Pretty fast. Wow. So if I just place my finger slightly on the sensor, it doesn't unlock, so you do have to apply a little bit of pressure, but then it is completely smooth and fast. And let's see the speed of the Face ID as well. Okay. Damn, that is really quick. Wow, so it's really fast, as you can see. Instantly unlocks. Now this flagship phone is coming with Android 9.0 Pie right out of the box, which is absolutely amazing. Good job Huawei, they always deliver a good experience with the software update. I'm still rocking the EMUI 9.0 skin that comes with a lot of new features, a lot of AI capabilities have been improved, and this new update will be very beneficial for the older Kirin 970 phones. So that's that. But this phone, obviously, speed-wise, will be the best that Huawei has ever made because it's coming with the Kirin 980 7nm beast chipset. So I'm really excited to see how well it will go against the Samsungs and the Apples. Make sure to subscribe for that. Let's quickly check out the camera, which is again similar to the Huawei P20 Pro, but instead of the monochrome lens, now we have the ultra wide angle lens. So this is now in the current wide mode. If you want to go to the ultra wide level, you just have to pinch out, and as you can see, it is now gone to this ultra wide angle lens. And tapping it again will bring you to the normal wide angle lens, and tapping it again will do the 3x optical zoom, and another tap will bring up the 5x hybrid zoom. The camera UI is similar to the Huawei P20 Pro, and we also have that killer night mode as well. Now, as far as the photos are concerned, I took this phone outside in this night to actually test it out and see the photo result, and it takes some amazing photos. The night mode is still a killer feature of this camera, and combined with that, you can take some really sharp ultra wide night photos as well. So overall, camera low light capability is really good. The selfies are also really sharp in outdoor situation as well as in low light tests. I will be checking out this camera completely against some of the best that we have on the market, so be sure to subscribe to the channel for that coverage. Now, this phone has something which no other phone has, and that is the reverse charging. So you can actually charge your iPhone or any other phone that supports wireless charging. Then all you have to do is you have to put the phone like this, and boom, it is charging. That is incredible. It works with the iPhone XS Max, but it doesn't work with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So I've tried it several times. It doesn't work, maybe because of the battery size, but it charges the iPhone really good. As far as its own battery life is concerned, it's coming with a 4200 mAh battery size, and on that battery size you have this super fast charging, 70% in just 30 minutes. I will be doing a battery drain test, but what I can say without a shadow of a doubt is that this phone can last you a full day of usage without any problem. So yeah guys, that's all we have on the new Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I will be doing a full performance test as well as a camera test, and I will do my review as well at the end of the week. So be sure to subscribe to the channel for all that coverage, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.